Often in FreeCAD, we need to get inside the model to work on the internal voids and spaces that are hard to reach or can't be seen from the outside. In this FreeCAD model, I want to remove the inner part, this volume here, using a profile of a sketch. I'll be using a subtractive operation using the pocket. But as you can see, I can't actually see inside the model. When we apply the pocket, it's hard to see how much taper or depth I need to add. We can't see the internal edges to help guide us. This is a common challenge with subtractive operations. But in this case, it's often a simple case of changing the transparency, since we don't need to select anything inside the model. To do that, we come over to the Model tab, select the body, right-click, and toggle the transparency. Now we can see inside the model. Now I can adjust the taper and depth as required. But what do we do when we want to select the internal edges themselves? For example, in this model, I want to get to the internal edge, so I can run a fillet around here, making it a lot easier to 3D print without supports. I can get to this internal edge, but if this opening was much smaller, this will be a bit of a challenge. I can use the clipping view. Go onto View and Clipping View. We get a panel on the left-hand side here. This can be undocked and placed wherever we want. For example, I can place it on the right here, and we'll just change the settings. It's dot to the right. And now I can clip along the different axes. So for example, let's go along the X and flip this around. So we can see inside the model, and I can select the edge quite easily. And then run my operation. And then click OK. We can make the angle less steep with inside the model. Once I've finished, I just hit close. The other options are the different axes, which I can combine, or I can use the custom direction. And we'll adjust this to view direction. So this is the camera view. We have an offset as well. And this is the same on all of the axes. Once I'm happy, we just hit close and we've finished with our model. There are other options such as viewing this in Wireframe. Come up to the top and pick Wireframe, and we can get to the edges from in here, but this is a bit confusing when we start adding operations or trying to find the edge that we want. Let's just switch that back. As you can see, the clipping view and transparency can be used to your advantage when modeling inside models in FreeCAD. Hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope to see you in the next one. If you like what you see and you want to donate to the channel, then you can do so via Ko-Fi or Ko-Fi at ko-fi.com/MANG0 or via PayPal at paypal.com/paypalme/DarrenBEstone. I also run a Patreon where you can get early access and additional content, and that's at patreon.com/MangoJellySolutions. Links can be found in the channel header, on the About page, or in the descriptions of these videos.